Hi guys, welcome to my little corner of YouTube. I'm Shrestha and this is Shrestha. I've been planning to start content creation for a while now. I enjoy making videos, little vlogs, product reviews, and I do that on a daily basis. Even when I'm not, I was not planning to post it online. I just used to make little videos of me doing stuff, product reviews, and sometimes even makeup videos, and I would share those with my bhabi, my brother's friend, and with my own friend. And all three of them really enjoyed it. My bhabi would hype me up so much, and she's one of my biggest supporters. So recently I was just, ऐसी for fun making a product review video. I had ordered it online and I was really excited कि चलो फिर से बनाऊंगी, फिर से सब कुछ, and it had been a little while. मैंने कुछ मंगवाया नहीं था कुछ बाहर से, and ऐसी मतलब मैं ज़्यादा कुछ बना भी नहीं रही थी वीडियोस वगैरह. So I was just making that and I was done with the video making वाला part. I was just editing the video and उस टाइम पे coincidentally मुझे मेरी भैया की फ्रेंड का कॉल आता है and अब ऐसी बस नॉर्मली बात करने के लिए, नॉट अबाउट दिस. तो ऐसे हम बात कर रहे थे, हम रैंडम ऐसी इधर उधर की बातों के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. एंड देन आई जस्ट टू गेट हर एक्साइटेड, शी गेट्स एक्साइटेड. आई रियली एन्जॉय व्हेन शी गेट्स एक्साइटेड. ऐसे ना खुश हो जाती हैं वो. तो आई जस्ट टू गेट हर एक्साइटेड, आई टोल्ड हर दैट आई एम मेकिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट रिव्यू वीडियो and I'll share it with you and stuff like that. So she was like, why don't you post it online? So I got to thinking, not ज़्यादा thinking obviously, but ऐसी थोड़ा बहुत. And before her, before this conversation, I had never admitted it to anybody कि मेरे को ऐसे start करना है content creation या कुछ करके. तो I would just keep it to myself. But when I got to talking to her, she asked me, so I thought maybe I should open up to her about it. So I did, and she really supported me. She gave me the confidence boost, she gave me the little push I needed. She was all she was getting hyped up, she was getting me hyped up that you should do it and you can go for it, and stuff like that. So here I am because of her starting this channel. So now let me tell you what all you will be seeing over here. So first and foremost would be product reviews. I love doing that. I keep ordering stuff online. I just I love it. I love testing things out on myself. Okay, so product reviews, maybe vlogs and stuff, makeup videos, and food recommendations. I might even post cooking videos. I love cooking, by the way. So cooking videos or restaurant reviews, stuff like that, and maybe in the future मैं थोड़ा सा और explore करूँ, and I'll just keep on adding stuff. There is no particular यही post होगा वाला types. No, it will be a full ऐसे सब कुछ cover होने वाला types होगा, and it will be a very fun to watch channel, not बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे ना serious. It is just for ऐसे light hearted channel. So a little about me, because I can't stop talking once I start. I love dogs, okay, to the extent that अगर आप मुझसे कुछ important बात भी कर रहे हो और हम लोग ऐसे जा रहे हैं एंड मुझे कोई डॉग दिख गया और मैं उसको प्यार करने लग जाऊंगी, आई रियली डोंट केयर आप उस टाइम पे मुझसे कितनी भी important बात कर रहे हो, बिकॉज डॉग्स आर माई हैप्पी प्लेस, पीरियड. Okay, so I love dancing. Okay, I really enjoy it. Just कभी भी म्यूजिक चल रहा है, I can dance to any song. I really enjoy it. Sometimes when I go for a walk, I'm listening to music. और कभी मुझे कोई ऐसे बीट बहुत ऐसे मजे आ जाते हैं ऐसे वॉक करते करते I'm very happy, very in a jolly mood, and मैं वॉक कर रही हूँ, मुझे कोई गाना बहुत ऐसे मन कर गया एकदम से सुनने का, तो I'll just start dancing. I won't care कौन मुझको देख रहा है कौन मुझको नहीं देख रहा है, मुझे अगर डांस करना है तो मुझको डांस करना है बस. Makeup, I'm obsessed with it. I love doing it on myself. I love doing makeup for others. I remember one time we were going to a shadi or something, and I did the makeup of my mama and myself and my sister, you know, everybody's. And another fun fact, my brother's friend, she loves getting makeup done by me, and I love doing her makeup. Like, she really likes makeup, but somehow she can't, you know, अच्छे से कर नहीं पाती. So I do her makeup, and you know, she looks so beautiful when I do her makeup. Oh my god, so beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow. I can't even tell you. Okay, so cooking, I've already told you, yeah, I really love, and I love eating. Like, who doesn't? Of course, everybody loves, but you know, I really love it, like, more than all of you. I'm pretty sure about it. Like, you can see it on my face. Like, I am very chubby, and you know, I love food. I love food. I can eat food. मैं जब sad हूँ मेरे को तब पसंद है. I can eat food when I'm bored, when I'm happy, when I'm irritated. Like, everything can be fixed with food. Like, this is my opinion. I love having food of different places as well, which brings me to the next thing I really enjoy, which is traveling. But there's a catch. I love traveling to adventurous places. Like, I love adventure, be it, you know, desert safari or jungle safari or roller coasters, or you know, bungee jumping, skydiving, everything. I really enjoy it. Like, I haven't done much, but I really want to. Like, I want to do every single adventurous thing out there, like, genuinely. So basically, I'll be posting a video every Friday at 6 p.m. and I really hope all of you would, you know, join and get more people to join. I really want to connect with more and more people with every video. Okay, that's it for this video. That's it, because if I don't stop talking now, I probably won't stop talking ever. And I hope you guys enjoyed getting to know me. Do like, share and subscribe. Get your friends to join this cute little Glow Getter family. See you guys tomorrow. Love you.